Welcome back to our channel, and on today's news, Davido gets himself a 2021 customized Rolls Royce that actually greets him once he enters the car. Can you imagine? And okay, let me give you the gist before you see the car yourself. Like, you get to see how amazing the car is. This is Davido, OBO Baddest, and the news in detail. Remember, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, hit the subscribe button and turn on our notification. Who they breathe? Davido splashes 240 million naira on brand new 2021 Rolls Royce. Shares photos online. The father of three showed off his latest ride on his Instagram page. Davido stated that he gifted himself the ride while thanking his fans. Nigerian singer Davido has done it again. Davido recently got his fans gushing when he shared photos of the brand new Rolls Royce he bought for himself. The father of three stated that people rise by lifting others up. However, he noted that the people who are lifting others should not also forget to reward themselves. According to the Blow My Mind crooner, he just got his first Rolls Royce, noting that it's a 2021 edition. And these are the photos of this car.
Fucking shit. Don't fucking play with me. Right where I belong. Good day, see my friend. See my passenger. If I gotta put seat belt. Where's seat belt? Bye, you guys, real quick. Hey, it's my man Devin. Hey, come on. How's it going, guys? Hey, don't fucking play with me, dog. Fucking brand new, dog. Fucking talk. What I say? Hey, what I say, dog? Don't play, bro. Don't fucking play with me. Dog, we do this every fucking day. See, this one is inspiration.
What do you think about this OBO Baddest getting a Rolls Royce that is actually customized for him? Drop it in the comment section, and don't forget, it is Ninja Trends HD. Hit the subscribe button and turn on our notification for the next hot news. Thank you.